everyone, welcome to your math mentor. Today we are going to solve another fantastic algebraic problem. Here the problem is x square minus x cube minus equals to 12. Then find the value of x. So clearly x square minus x cube minus 12 equals to 0. 12 can be written as minus 4 minus 8. Now x square minus 4 we separate, and minus x cube minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, now x square minus 4, and after taking minus as a common, this will be x cube plus 8 equals to 0. Thereafter we write this as a x square minus 2 square minus x cube plus 2 cube equals to 0. We know that x square minus a square or a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, and a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here x square minus 2 square can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2, and x cube plus 2 cube can be written as x plus 2 into x square minus 2 into x plus 2 square, that means 4, equals to 0. Okay, now after taking x plus 2 as common, here you can see that x plus 2 and x plus 2 is common. So taking x plus 2 as a common, we get x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. That implies x plus 2 into x minus 2 minus x square plus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. That implies x plus 2 into minus x square plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. So either from here either x plus 2 equals to 0 or minus x square plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. So from there we can write x equals to minus 2, and from here we can both the side multiplied by x multiplied by minus, we can write this as a x square minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. So this will be a quadratic equation in one variable. So applying Sridhar Acharya form, we can write this, we can compare this form as a ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and thereafter x will be minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? So here after comparing, we just write the form minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and here a will be, here a will be, b will be minus 3, At first a will be 1, b will be -3, and c will be 6. So that's imply minus of -3 plus minus of root over of -3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6 divided by 2 into 1. That's equals to plus 3 plus minus root over of 9 minus 24 divided by 2. That's equals to 3 plus minus root over of 15 minus 15 divided by 2. That's equals to 3 plus minus root over of 15, and minus I equals to I হয়. So divided by 3. Now this can be written as, so this is the root. Okay, so the value of x will be, therefore the value of x or solution of x will be -2, 3 plus root 15i divided by 3, and 3 minus root over of 15i divided by 3. These are the solutions of the given equation. Clear? Okay.